Hey meal preppers, how you doing today? Happy Thursday, and I hope you're gonna have a great weekend with some awesome dishes. As we were coming up with these, I was feeling kind of Greek. Amy was feeling kind of Mexican, but I snuck one of these little ramen dishes in there.
Which is neither Greek nor Mexican.
And is neither, and she was just like, well, let's try the ramen dish. So I'm like, okay, because I love ramen, and she usually shies away from it. But and I've made it on my own, but this time I found a ginger chicken ramen here, and it's got a lot of stuff in it. As far here's some that was left over. It's got bok choy, some spinach, some carrots, but basically you make it with a lot of ginger, and then when you cook the chicken, you mix a soy sauce and what was the sugar? Was it brown sugar? It was brown sugar.
Brown
soy
sugar.
Sauce and brown sugar and ginger. And then you just let it caramelize on the chicken as much as you can. I feel like it all disappeared as it was sitting there.
It's there.
But it was there. And then you just put it on top. Easy to heat up. I put the noodles in a little late so that they are a little stiff. So when you heat that up in the microwave, it'll be fine. It'll heat back up really well. But a good dish there. I was really surprised that Amy went for that. All right. And then over here we kept it simple. Reason being is Amy's allergies were on fire this weekend.
Yep.
I think she's had a whole bottle of Benadryl. The other one is on the way from Amazon. So we've got a ground turkey stuffed potato. You can really make this your own. We've got our own taco seasoning, and we make ground turkey with diced tomatoes. Is this the fire roasted one?
No,
or just the regular?
plain old tomatoes.
All right, just so diced tomatoes in here, and then she added some onions,
bell pepper,
and then bell pepper, and we microwave our
just oregano.
potatoes.
I didn't use taco seasoning.
Oh, you didn't use taco? It was just oregano seasoning, and then a little bit of cheddar cheese on top, and we've cut some avocado on the side. So again, you can heat this up really easily at work. Put your avocado on top, and maybe some Greek yogurt, your favorite hot sauce, as always. Love my hot sauces. And then over here, a basic zucchini and black bean skillet. It's got rice in there, some corn, some spinach, and this has the fire roasted diced tomatoes in there too.
Really
so
nice
that gives
flavor.
it a really nice flavor. Again, these two are similar, so she used one pan, cooked that up, boom, made this, boom, kept the same pan, throw in all the stuff to make this pan. It was similar profile, so she just real easy. I mean, we could have had this whole thing done in an hour because these two take no time at all. This was a little bit longer because you do let the broth simmer for like 20 minutes, but that cooks the noodles, so that was good. And then boom, you're right there. All colorful, great veggie dish right here. Great protein and carb dish right here. Same right here, protein and carbs. These are zucchini noodles, rice noodles.
They are not zucchini noodles.
Oh my God, they're, what was I thinking of? I don't know.
I have no idea.
But they're rice noodles.
Yes.
Linguine. That's what I wanted to
Rice.
say. Linguine, zucchini, same thing. But they're linguine noodles, so they're a little bit thicker. That's why you throw them in the broth for a little bit. Because you're supposed to let them soak. And I was like, I'm not going to do that. Because I want to be quick. I want to make it easy for you guys. So that's what we got here today. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And let us know what you like.